In this video, we will see how to split a large folder in multiple small folder on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you want to split your large folder into 2 to 3 multiple small folder, then here are the process. For example, this is a folder and having its capacity, we will change, right click on it and choose properties, and you can see size on disk 246 MB. Now we will split this folder into 2 to 3 smaller folder. What is the process? To do so, go to Windows Search and here type WinRAR. If you have already installed WinRAR in your system, then open with WinRAR. Otherwise, download and install WinRAR in your system. Once successfully completed, restart your system and now right click on your desired folder which you want to split in multiple small folders. Right click on it and here you will find the WinRAR option available and simply click to add to archive. A new archive name and parameters page will open. You will find the option split to volume size and choose a volume, either 5 MB, 100 MB, 2 GB, auto detect. So choose as per your choice. If you choose 5 MB and other, choose a folder size. So first you can verify your actual folder size, and it is size on disk 246 MB. So we can split this folder into 3 smaller folder having size 100 MB per folder. So choose 100 MB and finally click on OK. Some other parameters you also change, and it will take some time creating archive your folder. Wait for some time till 100% completion of compression ratio, elapsed time, and some other function. After that, go to your original folder location. Here you can see all your folder is still, and it will split in 3 smaller folder. So go to the original file location, right click on it and first choose properties and see location of this file. See users OneDrive desktop folder. So this splitted folder will be visible on this file location. So open C drive, go to the file original folder location, users, and here desktop OneDrive, and here go to desktop folder, and you can see open desktop folder. No, this folder is vacant. Open desktop folder, and here you will see all your update. Either one folder original folder is here and 3 smaller folder opened here. Update either part 1.rar, part 2.rar, and part 3.rar. Apply a double click on it to open its properties and open with File Explorer and just once, and you can see your one file only here 100 MB, and same second and third one. So your original folder successfully split in 3 smaller folder. That's all.